Today's video is brought to you by EndTimeGardening.com. Visit our website for your instructional gardening products and services through the link in the description box below. And remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.
This is the cassava plant. Cassava. It's a tropical plant. It's an annual. That means when the cold weather comes, it dies, it literally dies. After you harvest it, that's it. It doesn't come back. So what you do when you harvest it, it's a root vegetable. So remove the roots from under the ground, harvest that, it's something like a potato. Then you take the sticks and branches and you keep them in a warm place in the house. They require about 70 degrees to survive. And keep them in the spring just like that in the house. They grow, and in the spring you take them out and plant them in the ground. In the tropics you don't have to do that. They just keep producing, growing. But here in the temperate region, I discovered that they are annual. I did not know that. But it's a very good food. Then when you plant it this way, just straight down in the ground, dig a hole, push it down, but you don't cover the buds, the leaf. You leave the leaf, buds that's growing, the leaf exposed. Just like that. And you finish. It's planted. Very simple. Cassava roots during the spring, during the winter months in the house. You just dig a hole. It can also be planted flat. What do I mean? You can take a piece of cassava stick like this. You dig a hole and you plant it flat, it will grow the same way. Or you could plant it straight, upward. Or you could plant it diagonally, it will grow. We are planting it this way, we are forced to plant it straight right now because this year we are using the weed blocker to control the weeds. So this way we don't have to deal with any weeds throughout the growing season. When we harvest, it grows into a pretty big tree, very big. And you cut off the tree, you lift this up, the weed blocker, and you harvest. And then you put it back, put mulch, you leave it there till next season, then you plant it. Different cultural and ethnic groups call it different names. The Spanish call it what, yucca? Yucca. People call it different names. We call it cassava in the English language. And it's planted around April and May in the spring.
After the frost,
Okay? And
after all the
also,
frost.
it takes about 7 months before it's ready to be harvested.